Alright, so, bit of an issue here. Uh, yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. So, I don't understand why. I just don't understand why. Why this is why this is. You know what I mean? Look at this. It's not even working. There is. What is it? I forgot what I was gonna say. It's not completely unusable. Because if I plug it in, it's my charger. I'm sure you know what it is. If I plug it in, look at that, beautiful. Now it actually like turns on because I plug it in, and it's not like my. It's not like I don't have like battery left. Like that's not it's not because of that. The battery was literally like 84 when I checked it or whatever, like 89 or whatever. Oh. I'm gonna log in and make sure you don't see my password. Okay, cool. Look at my for real person. Look at my awesome wallpaper. Anyway, yeah, I have no idea why this keeps happening. Any suggestions would be any suggestions would be greatly appreciated. If you can see here, I have to like move this a bit. Is that even visible? I'm using a tripod. It's like I don't want to hold my phone in my hand. If you can see here, it says that it's 88% battery. So like there's literally no reason why it's like dying or whatever. And it says battery health is 100%. So I'm like, well, what's the issue here? Why is it like dying unless I charge it? So, yeah, I'm trying to find out what on earth is going on with this. This is one of the things that I tried to check out. Oops. I don't know if you can read that. Cool. Yeah, cool. It says this like, okay, June 29th, 5:35. That was like, well, a minute ago. Archie is my whatever. Kaywin Wayland says XKB unrecognized RMLVO layout. GR and TR was ignored. So I'm guessing that's GRTR. I'm guessing that's like Greek and Turkish. I'm probably wrong. I mean, I don't have a Greek or Turkish keyword here. Actually, I think I do, but that's not. Doesn't matter. Anyway, couldn't find this thing. Couldn't find time since initial. Like all this. I don't even care. So I'm like what is going on? Okay, what's the issue here? So how do I get out? Okay, here. These are the flags by these are flagged by critical, and if I go by error, this is what. Oops. Can I go down? Oh no. These are errors, right? It keeps saying this, and like I've tried checking this like yesterday and whatever, and like all the other days before. Like this has been happening for like 4 days or whatever. Like I don't even understand why. It says something about like from the kernel that like SGX disabled or unsupported by BIOS. Like I'm like what? What do you mean? Like what does that mean? And then it also says something DRM with error conflict detected with stolen region. What does that mean? Look, I'm not like. Look, I don't know anything. I don't know anything. I don't know everything. Okay, so like I don't know what any of this means. Does this even have like anything to do with like the fact that I'm charging? Like how would I know? Like how would I like literally how would I know? Like why would that have any sort of like significance towards this? If you can answer that, then like please tell me. Like I don't know, man. This has been bugging me for like 4 days. See, if I unplug this, and then like you saw my battery, it's like 84, and the battery health like 100, like, and then I pull this charger out. This is what happens like immediately after. So I'm like, racking my brain. It's like what is the cause of this? What is happening here? Like, I don't know. I didn't do anything like that. Could be related to the fact that I probably have used my laptop a bit much and like used it up to like 0%. Not up to 0%, but like it's died to 0% before, maybe. But does that though? Yeah. But does that mean that this is going to happen if that keeps? Well, I don't know. You know, like I don't know the issue. If anyone knows, if anyone understands, if anyone knows whatever on earth just happened there, and why this is only turning on just because I plug it to a charger, then that would be great. Is it just the laptop is bad? I don't know. I've had this since like 2024 or whatever. Like I don't even know the whole story. Like how people have this. Wait, I don't know why. I know why. Of course I know the story. Anyway, yeah. Any sort of like recommendation, any sort of advice, any sort of suggestion would be greatly appreciated. But